What's up, y'all? Rob from Rob and Zach Garage. We got a big day today. Check it out. We're installing some of the sound deadening in my Lx570. I've already done this side right here behind this panel. As you can see, you got some of it popping out. I've also done, once you lift this up right here, I got some ramen noodles or something in here. Got some grub in here now. But if you pop this whole thing out, boom, 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 you'll be able to see. You can't see it, but underneath of this is also a bunch of sound deadening on this whole back, latch area. So I'm going to do this left side right here and show you all, somewhat step by step how I did it. And first off, check out the difference, man. Just on the outside alone. All right, so check it out. Solid, no echo or nothing. Check out this side right here, the difference when it's stock. Sound like a daggone soda can, man. So we're going to fix that. Coming soon, I'm going to put some 12s in the back of this ride. I'm going to have two 12s back here, and I'm going to be bumping. So I want to make sure everything's nice and, tight. You know what I mean? Sounds good. It sounds nice and clean and clear. And when I camp out in the back of my ride, I want it to be nice and a little bit more insulation, somewhat. So let's go ahead and knock it out, y'all. So the first thing I did here, as you can see, was pop this piece off. Boom. I'm going to actually put this on the ground somewhere. So I just lifted it up. The reason why we popped that off, because you got to pop that off to get this off, to get this off, to get the whole side piece off. So make sure you knock that piece out right here. And we're going to head over to this side. Next step, coming to this door frame right here. We're going to pop this piece. All right, so the camera cut out, but you're just going to pop this piece off. Boom. And then take this out with a 10 mil. Boom. All right. Now, you should be able to lift this up or something. Hold on, let me see. I can't remember. Yeah, I ain't going to lift it all the way out because we need to pop this out. But this is going to allow this side piece to pop out. Then after that, we're going to get to this seat belt part right here. I'm trying not to get the cable in the way. My phone was dead, so I'm charging it. Let's go. You're going to pop this off. Can't remember how you pop this. I don't know. Some way. I can't remember. Oh, you just pop it off left or right. Boom. And I think this is a 12 or something. It's definitely a 10. You're going to take this off too. All right, y'all. So 14 millimeter. Jesus Christ. There we go. Boom. Take that out. Set that to the side also. Sift this out of here. If you got it in here, take it out. All right, y'all, check it out. So the next thing I did was take this thing out of here. I just took this piece and pushed it down inside of this. And then, that pushed down and then I pulled it out. So now we got a little bit of mobility here too. Now we're gonna, let's take this off. Boom. We're gonna take that out also. That little screw in there using a Phillips. All right, y'all, next step. Boom, removing that. Put that to the side also. And if I'm not mistaken, let me take all my junk off right here real quick. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna unbolt these two screws. I'm gonna leave the thing hanging because it's just this middle piece that we're gonna be removing, okay? So I'm gonna take all this junk off the wall real quick so we can actually pop out, and then I get back to y'all. Oh, but hold up. Let me see this. Take this joint off. I can't remember if this was, Jesus Christ. Oh, no, we don't gotta take this off. It's gonna slide through there. Okay, cool. But now we're gonna pop all these panels off. Should just be able to manhandle it and pull them off like this. Uh-oh, got a little piece right here. That probably goes to the part that was covering this whole thing. That long piece. Take that out in a second. Get this whole thing up out of here. And then we'll go on this side to take that side off also. All right, y'all. You can see I got it all popped out. Now, hold up. I might have to disconnect one or two of these connectors here. Let's pop this one off. This white one, and there's a black one that's similar. Boom. Yeah, and we got this bigger one right here. Take that off. I think that's... Uh-oh, hold up. We might have to... Yeah, we got to take this piece out. There we go. Boom. Now we can pull it all the way out. Take the seatbelt from across. All right, boom. All right, y'all, check it out. This is what we're left with right here. A lot of equipment on this side. On the other side, the passenger side, there was barely anything back here. So I was able to get back and, get really good coverage on here. So I think what I may do is remove this 10 mil here and see if I can't, you know, bring this system down. What I don't want to do, look at all these important pieces and pipes and cables and stuff. I don't want to get too greasy with none of this stuff. Look at this tube for, you know, different things, tubes back there. I just want to move something out the way just enough to get, you know, some good coverage back there with the, you know, the sound deadening is my goal. Then obviously the wheel well, because sometimes I'll even be driving without my seats in the back and I'll hear rocks, you know, ping and, you know, up inside the wheel well in the back. So hopefully this will help also. I know it helps on the other side. All right, check it out, y'all. So I was able to remove this bolt right here and then these two down here. And there was one right here also. That was these 4. And was good enough to slide this black piece, you know, to the right a little bit and up out of here. I think what I may just try to do was, you know, slide some of the insulation pieces down back behind here, because I really don't feel like taking all this stuff apart and, you know, prayers up that it goes back together correctly and everything. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that'll be more than good enough. And then I'll also get some, you know, some stuff back there, you know, and that should be, you know, enough room for my hands to get in and out and make it happen the best I can, y'all. So let's go ahead and start putting this insulation in and I'll show you guys the after. So let's go ahead and install the sound deadening and I'll show you guys the after. All right, y'all, so check it out, check it out. I got all back behind here, all the way up on top for the most part. I got back behind here. I put the vent back on just now, but you get the idea. You know, I got all the way back up inside of there, the most I could, the best I could, you know, even down to the very edge. What I did was I took the backing off and I would just push it up against the wall without sticking it, obviously, and then slide, and then you stick it, you know. And got down here a little bit. I'm gonna clean up around here a little bit more, and because it's a little, you know, the people that owned it before me obviously had some kids and they was eating a bunch of little Cheez-Its and Doritos back here. So I'm gonna clean up back here. But I got, you know, nice around here. Boom. You know, best I could, you know, nothing too crazy. Couple little spots I want to, you know, just touch up on. Maybe put something right there in that area. You know, something back here. I might get a couple little, you know, tic-tac jumps back here. And then while I'm back here, I was thinking I might get greasy and lift the floor up, the carpet up, and get below the carpet. I might, you know, hey, we'll see. Maybe I'll try that out too. Shoot. Anyway, so yeah, it's just straightforward, y'all. From here, all you got to do is just put the panels back on and make sure everything's, you know, lined up. And check it out, y'all. Y'all know it ain't a real Rob Zach Garage build. Install if blood ain't drawn. I got an OEM Lexus Band-Aid on my finger. Took it out my first aid joint right there. Anyway, check out the difference now, yo. The knock test. Solid. Solid. Let's try this side. Yep. Sound the same, y'all. Nice and solid now, man. When I get them 212s in here, it's about to be crazy. I think I may or may not make a video of me popping this off too. And I don't know what it looks like back here. Probably a bunch of more electronics back here. But I want to try to sound deaden everything. So I got this sound deaden here. I've got this, you know, sound deaden. I've got this. I want to knock this out also. And then I'll start with the doors. You know, now the roof, I've dropped the headliner before to install this roof rack because I had messed up on it. And it was an absolute nightmare, man. Like how it looked up there, so many tubes and cables. It looks like this right here, but like times 5. I was like, Jesus Christ. So we'll see if I want to get greasy and do that in the future. But at the very least, get these back joints right here. I'm going to see if I can't knock out the below the carpet right now. And we'll see how much deeper I want to get, you know, this late in the night with this. But I could always take this stuff back apart again and, you know, knock it out. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff back together. Like I said, I might, you know, get a couple little more spots, you know, up underneath the carpet so it's a little bit more insulated. And yeah, thanks for watching, man. Rob Zach Garage signing out. All right, y'all, check it out. As you can see, the video has not ended and I got a little carried away. All right. I've only done up to this air vent, duct air thing, whatever you call it, system right there, up, tucked up near that. I haven't done any further than that. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Put everything back together. I'm done, y'all. I even put some on top of this little air thing right here. But as you can see, you know, for what it's worth, I got sound detonation throughout the whole back section now, at least this bottom tub area. And like I said, I noticed a big difference having this on here because I used to ride down the road on the way to like California and stuff and hit little pebbles, and you can hear them, you know, slap up and hit the fender well, and it would just ding, ding, ding. Like, you know, it sounded like I didn't have nothing to detonate the sound or anything at all. Like I had like nothing up underneath it here. You know, it would literally just hit the bare, you know. Anyway, here we go, y'all. This is it. All right, now I'm really signing out, y'all. I'm really done for the night. Peace.